Good day, guys. How are you doing? How's been your lectures and how is everything? So today we continue our lecture series from where we stopped. Today we continue our lectures on wireless and hotspot configuration on both Linux and Windows machine. Now let's move to the slide and we talk about Windows hotspot. So we know our hotspot enables us to have connections to our systems. So therefore we start on Windows 4. So we're going to have a terminal. Open your command prompt. So you open your command prompt by locating your Windows. Let me open my emulator and let me open the Windows version of it. Let me maximize it. So this is my window. Open your command prompt window and that's CMD. Right click on it and run as administrator. Yes. Prompt for administrator. Then we come back. After that, then you now write this command to check whether our system, our wireless, our system supports sharing hotspot. Then you check it, let sh WLAN show. Then we show drivers, Then you see, and you see it's telling me that because I'm on the emulator machine, it says that autoconfig service with service is not running on this machine. Then you can also, if it's possible, you should try and check for this machine, that is WLAN SVC, WLAN services. Let's check our services. Maybe we are going to get it with W, but SVC is not running. Autoconfig. Let's start it. Okay, start. Now, clear or CLS. So, NetSH, network share. Show. Let me reopen it. CMD. To close and run as administrator. Then NetSH. WLAN show drivers. There is no wireless interface on this machine. We've started it and we are unable to see that there is no wireless interface on this machine because we are using an emulator. We go to our drivers, that is, we are only using as emulator because this is an emulator, but on your normal systems, you should be able to see that. Then you are able to see that. Then you have to what? It will show you this something. If you're on your normal system, it should show you the Wi-Fi is turned on, then your Wi-Fi will be on. Then look for this line. It will show you that. Then you say yes, it's supported. Or if it is not, there is no, it's no. So if the response is yes, begin the setup machine. Just enter this command, netsh WLAN come and just type it. ls netsh WLAN set hosted network mode equal to what? Allow. We must allow it mode. SSID, that is the name of our wireless. You give it, if it is a single word, maybe connect me. But if you want to make it a double word, that means you have to put it inside a double quote. Connect me. That is the name of our wireless. Then the key, you give the password, the key for the password. And see, this can be our password, and then you press enter. But since my home is not allowed, so I'll be getting error on this machine. Just follow this step and you get it. Then you enter it. If you have followed it here, I tried on the other machine. This is what my response is. So I tried as marvelous. The key here, the password there is marvel123. Therefore, we move to the next slide. Add the hosted network. After we have entered this command and we received a message like this, the user key and everything is successful. Then we move to the network. We need to start the wireless the hosted network now. Then we start this with this command net sh wlan start hosted network. After starting it, then you see another message again that if you receive a message this way, that the net sh, and can you see net sh wlan hosted network couldn't be started. That means that is issue with our network adapter. You have to enable the wireless adapter, the virtual wireless adapter there. That means you have to go to your what? Our command prompt, our device manager, WR like this, be device like dev mgmt.msc. Then you have to come to our wireless adapter here. Then you have to enable either of one of these. It's going to show something like this. Can you see this one? Showing the arrow down from here. Can you see? Just print it to be something here. Can you see here something here? Showing it here. So you're going to see something like that. Then you have to right click on it and enable it. If probably you update the driver. After then, you need to right click and update it. After enabling it, then you see something like this. Everything is going to be pure like this, just the way I'm seeing it here. Everything is going to be pure without any arrow pointing down. Then you go, if this one is completed, we move to step 4 here. Then you now start this command again. Enter this command there again. Then our hosted network will start normally. After that again, then we have to close our terminal and I'll start it again. Then our command prompt, then we enter the command again, then it will start it. Remember, we have configured it before. So even though here I don't even close it here, you see my command informations, but just reset any environment variables, command prompt requires that we should restart our hosted network. Then we now move here. If you observe, the wireless is on, but you can put on your wireless device, you'll be able to see it, but if you connect, you will acquire IP, but you won't be able to browse. So we need to share the what? We need to share the wireless, the newly created wireless network from our host network. Then we have to enter into our our network adapter settings, go to our network and sharing centers. Then you select this one. If you observe, Ethernet 2 is the one with network. Then it's already shared with something before, and you see it's shared already. So, and this is our newly created. We check the name, Miss Marvelous Tech here. So it's already created here. But we need to supply network from this to this local area network now. Then our newly created is, can you see? Now you have to right click on it, go to sharing, right click and go to sharing. Then we see something. It's already supplying Wi-Fi 2. It's already the network is sharing from this side to this other side. Then we also need to right click it, and then you have to disallow this button, click out this allow network to share this, then remove it. Then you select this one, then you OK, then you close it back. Then after you come back again, you'll be able to see something like this. You now select this box again, allow network, and you now click on the drop down button here. Then you'll be able to select our network now. After you have done that now, then you can stop the former hosted network with this command, or it should be browsed automatically. Then you will start it again with the net sh wlan start hosted network. We start it. You can also disable our hosted network with this command here. Now, thank you very much for this. That means now let's go to that ends for Windows machine. Now let's come to our Linux. Let's come back to our. I'm having Ubuntu here by default. I'm also having Fedora here as well. Let me minimize all this. Then I have this. Now Which is camera. Then you want to enter for Linux machine. For Linux machine, and just type NetSA. The NetSA will not work. Sorry. NM Network Manager Connection Editor. You enter this. It will pop up something like this. Then you click on the plus button here. The plus button here, you add a new network. You add it a new network. You click on this. You add, it's a Wi-Fi hotspot. You are looking for Wi-Fi. Click on Wi-Fi. Click on create. Then there are two things here. This is the name of the machine, or your own normal machine. You give it, let's name it as what? New network here. But let's give the SSID. That is the name that will be appearing to users. That's your network name. Let's give it again like Marvelous. That's Marvelous Tech. Yeah. We create this thing this way. Then also this is also with our mode. Remember the mode we allowed the other time. Our mode here is called to what? It's Hotspot. Let's give it Hotspot here. It's different on Linux machine. And here, just the same thing. Just click on here. You click OK now and save. But you also need to give it a what? Security, password security. Come to this side. Here is none. Select maybe WPA3 or WPA3, no matter which description you want to use. Then you can use our own is in Marvel. So just let me show you the password of what I'm typing. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 5. Machine. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 $. I'm using $sign. So $sign. Then you save now. I see the password. If I save now, then my hotspot should start. So I can come in. I have the new network here, connect to new network here. So I can close this. I can close, let me terminate my Wi-Fi hotspot name. So that means if I connect our new network now, you'll be able to see our hotspot here. Our hotspot is here. This is our new network here. You connect to it, it will work. So also the same thing. Now that's fine. So maybe in our next, because I don't want this video to be much long. In our next video, I'm going to also be going to how we can also clone network, clone the MAC address. These are for education purposes, so that in case there's an issue with the different issue, I will highlight the issue for us. So these are for our IT students that are having issue with creating network through their hotspot. Now you can do it now with this command and the slide. I'm also going to attach the slide with a new link with our Telegram link below. Please, you can like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for listening. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.